car is one of my favorites. Not only is it exceptionally well restored, but the color combination, the black with the red and white interior, just a good looking car. It's got power steering and power brakes, which is pretty unique for that year. Just so easy to drive. They put electric wipers on it. The wire wheel hubcaps really set it off. This is a canvas top, a nice rich black cloth top. Go to our website, look at all the pictures, because the motor compartment, the trunk, everything's really nice. Even the cushion in the seat is nice and firm. The motor just purrs like a kitten. This is a really nice one. It's really nice, that little test drive I just did. No squeaks, no rattles. The steering is smooth as can be. The clutch has no chatter.